Hi guys, so today is going to be a video of Christmas presents. So my kids do have wish lists. I'll have them linked below, but some started coming in and some of this is also from me shopping online. This is all from Amazon for Christmas presents for other kids, not mine, because my dad decided to buy out my kids wish list. So we ended up adding a little bit more because some family members was like, the links aren't working, and I was like, it was working. So I went to look at it. My dad bought it all out. So I'm about to do a little haul before I start wrapping them while the kids are gone, and then I'll have each individual thing linked below if you guys want to purchase it too. So I'm not gonna say what is what in case my kids decide to watch this before Christmas so they don't know what's theirs. This is a pastel bookshelf. It's like all pastel colors, like there's pink, blue, yellow, green, I believe. I forget already. This is a baby alive. Which one is this? I don't know, but she has 9 accessories. Baby alive. And then we have, I'll just say this is for my kid. She's obsessed with Hello Kitty right now. So look at this cute case. And it's like a little mirror. How cute is that? I thought it was so cute. It's for her phone. And then we got this. This goes under the bed. So it's bed loft bed tent thing. So this is a princess one. I don't know if there's a picture of it. Over here. You can barely see the picture. So these are unfilled beanbag sacks, because you can fill it with your own stuff. So my idea was they could fill it with stuffed animals, because my kids have stuffed animals everywhere. So you know, you just fill it with it. So this is it's like a gray blue, but it was supposed to be like a baby blue color, but that's fine. So one of these. What is this? So fun. This is a doll. It literally just says doll. I'll insert a picture because I don't know what this doll is. Kinetic sand. Obviously not for my kids. This is a gift because not in my house, but kinetic sand for somebody else's house, not mine. Oh, this is a splash pad. I got this for one of the little babies. I could lay on it and it took up the whole, like there's still space, so it's gonna be a huge splash pad. And that baby does have siblings, so they can all play together. This is a cute little kitchen set. Come and play with the kids. I got 2 of these. These are gifts. It's like guns, but look at the guns. That's not easy. You attach it to, it's an airplane, so you attach it to the gun and it shoots. I was watching, if you click the link for the Amazon, you can watch videos and it shows what they do. Sorry, he's brushing his teeth. Gag himself. Oh my god. This is cucamonga. No clue what this is, but I have a picture inserted because literally don't know what that is. I got all my kids stocking stuffers, so one of their stocking stuffers, they each get panties. So I'm gonna go add this to their stockings. And that's all for my haul. I'll have everything linked below. So this is just gonna be part 1 because I have a lot coming in. If you guys care. If you don't care, then I'm sorry. I wasted your time. Hi guys. So hi. This is gonna be a part 2 of presents. You know what, I'm just gonna make it into one big video because it's same day, but it's deliveries from nighttime. Okay, so one kid is up. See, still everything is from my dad buying everybody out. Oh, let me block this sleeping kid over here. There, blockage. But this is for one of my kids. You already knew who this is for,
I know.
Okay, you have to keep still because you're moving everything, sister. So I'm gonna have to wrap this now because once this kid sees it, she's gonna know it's hers. She's obsessed with Hello Kitty, like obsessed. We're gonna add that there.
You can't. You have to wait. You can't.
Should I move this one? We don't need that one. That's our soap. Yeah, well, she does watch our video. So if you see her watching it, change it. You can't watch this video either because I want them to know what's in that box. But I just told you that was yours.
Wait, I would already know. But if I know.
Okay, what is this? Hopefully my address isn't showing anything. It's not moving stuff. What is this?
That's look.
Oh, this is it's like a frozen laundry basket, but I'm gonna use it for toys. It's for Lily. I'll put a picture up because I'm not about to pop this over me in the face. She's also sleeping. She's over there. Pop
it up right here.
Oh, this is also for Leia. I'm gonna open it because I want to show you guys.
Where you're gonna pop up the image.
So this is for artwork. Okay, you know what? I guess I'm gonna pop up the image because I'm not about to open it all up. It's gonna be another image. This is an area rug. Like, look at how cute it is because this is for so Miss Ma'am over here has her own room. Ari and Lily, she's Ari. Lily and Leia share rum. So isn't it so cute? It has like all the alphabets on it. This is also for you, Leia.
What is it?
It's a Hello Kitty phone case. Look. She's obsessed with Hello Kitty. So her colors that she would choose is blue, but finding Hello Kitty blue, there's not a big variety, but she's gonna love this. And then that thing flips open and it's a mirror.
Oh, that should be for me.
So I believe that all this is from my dad. It does have gift receipts. Yep, see, this is it's my dad. Maybe this video might take a while to come out because that is a lot. That's a lot to list, but I'm gonna list it for you girlies. You girlies, you guys, these, whatever you are. And then I have this. Sucking in. It's you, sis. Okay. I'm gonna also put this on screen. Erze, do not look up this video. I know she wants to do it because I already bear with me. So Erze's surprise gift, I was like struggling to find the link. Like I knew what it was because I opened the box so I could see what it was, but I was struggling, because that's it right here, this big blue one. I was struggling to find the link. It wasn't in purchase, it wasn't in unpurchased, and I knew that that was hers. So finally, my brother uses my Amazon account, so he's actually the one that got that. So that's for my brother, not my dad. But after he bought it under my account, he ended up just taking it off. He deleted it off of the list. So now I'm over here stressed, like, where is this damn thing? So yeah, thanks to my brother for making me so confused. But it is like a velvety pinkish ottoman. So it is linked down. This one was hers, so I don't want to take it out, but at the same time it fits in this box perfectly and I see it. Oh, so pretty. So yeah.
What is it?
That is gonna be this is gonna be my first video of Amazon gifts, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. This mama needs some money. Just kidding. I'm not kidding. And we'll see you guys every day because I've been vlogging every day. Okay. Bye, guys. I'm back. There's this package, and it wasn't open because sis over here was hiding it. Let's see if it's hers. This is not yours because it's another poster. I think this is the Frozen one because Lily and Leia's room is Frozen and Hello Kitty theme. It is. So I got frames for them. It kind of looks kind of pixelated. Like, who would print that and think that that's fine? Is that how all of it is? Ari already got her poster things like this. Her picture frames are coming in, so it's not hung yet. But yeah, so somebody bought off of her birthday list.
I got like 20 of this one.
Okay, these are so... Okay, I don't know if they're supposed to look pixelated or what, or if it's because it's watercolor, but... What is that?
Can I see it from the screen?
What is that? If it looks blurry, it's because it is blurry. Are these
Look at Mr. Olaf.
Like, are these like watercolor? It doesn't say. Okay. Maybe these might have to get a returnee. Or maybe on the wall. Is this still gonna look cute like if it was on the wall? Can't tell, it's blurry. I don't know. Figure out. Jesus. And that's all. Now we're done. For myself, I bought this for my office. So when you see the color, or it's not so much the color because it's black, but it's like the design on it, you might be like, woo. It might be, it doesn't matter. Like, it's too much for my eyeballs, but I just needed to put some stuff in, so it's gonna be fine because it's just gonna be in my office and nobody's even gonna see it. Okay, empty box. It looks like, it's like, woo. So it's like a 3. So when I first got it in the mail, I got a notification that I got delivered, and I was like, this box is kind of small. But it's like a 3-stall one, so apparently it goes all together. Okay, I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys probably don't want to build what it looks like. I wouldn't say it's sturdy, that's for sure. It does have handles, and then it has like the separators. So I guess you can take those in. Like, you can take these out if you want. They're just velcroed in. But you know what? It's perfect for what I need it for. I have it linked below.